morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all GFoxx believers around the world. My name is David Tan, President and CEO of GFoxx International. Some of you guys might get to know about us through the products and maybe hear the story about us from your friends and relatives, and you hear about the success, amazing story of them through doing the business with us. They were able to do the dropshipping business all in the comfort of their homes, may it be in the Philippines or overseas. I'm sure that you're very curious on how you also can make your own history with your GFoxx business. Before you start your life-changing journey with us, let's get to know about GFoxx International first. The mission of us is actually providing the right knowledge and the right moral guidance to all mankind so that they can achieve their greatness, our GFoxx value entrepreneurs. The vision of the company is to become the #1 e-commerce direct selling company in Southeast Asia. You may be wondering what is the meaning of GFoxx. GFoxx is an acronym stand for growing from ordinary to exceedingly extraordinary. Together with top-tier business professionals in Southeast Asia, GFoxx has opened its door to the public since 2015. You might be feeling very nervous now to start your own dropshipping business. No need to worry, because this business has been done by thousands of people and it proves that it's doable, secure, and highly profitable. To assist you in the journey of your business, the company actually provides free leadership training, free personal development training, free product training from all the experts in the field that surely can assist you to grow in this business. Our company is also a multi-awards company who has been receiving Philippine Super Brand Awards from 2016 to 2017. On 2018, Singapore Awardee Party Asia Pacific Entrepreneur Awards also granted us as the awardee for Corporate Excellence Award under the direct selling industry. As for me, I'm a Malaysian who has been in the industry for 18 years. I was actually graduated as a first class honor for Bachelor of Science in Food Science, major in nutrition. I was also lucky as an awardee for Anugerah Peraja Dilaja for the year of 2005 for being the top student of my whole universities. Moving on to the later of my life, I was actually becoming a country manager for one of the Singapore direct selling company. In 3 years with them, I was able to achieve a 800% sales growth and bringing them to become the third largest gross revenue sales among 12 different countries. I'm also proud to say that I was able to feature in multiple TV channels in the Philippines and was actually awarded as the most outstanding professional awards on 2017 by Super Brands. Of course, the company was not just formed by me. We actually have our own board members. It was quite lucky that we were able to gather all the experts in different fields to believe in our vision to form GFoxx. So I'll take this opportunity to introduce them one by one. They are David Chong, Peter Chan, Boy Mangera, Bruce Cheng, Wilson Chua, and Philip Koh. All of them are the famous and prominent Philippines business entrepreneurs who has been in their own industry for many years. I know you might be very exciting to know what kind of product the company offers and what makes us different from other companies. So our company actually offers 3 categories of products. We have wig management, beauty and cosmetic, and health and wellness. All our products actually follow 3 simple philosophies before we produce it. Number 1, the product has to be simple to use. Number 2, the product has to be very effective. Number 3, it has to be very safe. So all our product is FDA approved and not only just good for you, for all your customers as well. One of the key moments for GFoxx history is on the year of 2022, we was able to launch our very first premium product, Elixir Placenta. This is a revolutionary product because we are the first and only in the market who introduced 3 therapies in one single soft gel. I will really urge you to go and find out more about these amazing products. Want to know more about us? I will strongly urge you to go and visit our social media page, our GFoxx Facebook page, and also just go to the Google App Store and download our GFoxx Connect apps. That's all for me, and I can't wait to see you and to hear your success story in GFoxx International. So GFoxx, we can, we will, we must.